There are many things in the space we have not imagined ever. The galaxies, the stars, the meteors have some hidden facts in them. One of the most relevant and important celestial object in the space is Sun. From our childhood, we have been learning about Sun. So what we know about the Sun? The Sun is a star. It's a ball of fire and it is the main element of life. But do we know everything about the Sun? As there are many questions on the life period of the Sun, we can solve it by taking a simple example. Just assume that we can pour a bucket full of water on Sun. Will the Sun really extinguish? No. The Sun needs no air to burn. It is burning due to the internal thermal fusion continuously taking place in the core of the Sun. For a combustion, we need air and heat both. But in space conditions, air is not available and the temperature there is also lower than the Earth. That means the Sun cannot be extinguished until its internal thermal fusion stops. On pouring water on Sun, it can simply burn the water in space.
Bit by bit, creative imagination began with a new art form. Makes me feel I belong to something.
The Sun needs no energy to survive as it is the self-generator of energy. This is also a fact that the body which generates energy also loses its energy. The Sun is actually losing its 0.01% of its total energy in every 5 seconds. According to this data, around 9 billion light years later, the Sun can extinguish. But humans will not be there to see this disaster, as till that time humans will be extinct. The death of the Sun can be the biggest disaster in that time. The light of the Sun is actually visible from 93.67 billion light years far from the Sun in space. That means some most crucial and largest galaxies will be dark after the Sun's death. There are more than 50 billion objects in the space which reflects the light of Sun. It means that after the death of Sun, there will be no natural satellites present in the space. The death of the Sun will be known as Big Freeze. The term Big Freeze is used because after the death of Sun, there will be no heat and no light present in the space. According to astronomical institutes and scientists, the life started with the Big Bang and will end with Big Freeze. But the universe will be stable then also. One day the sun will extinguish, it will die. And because of the death of the sun, our planet Earth and all the planets of the solar system will also die. But we will not be able to see that day, because till then there will be no human in this earth.